Hello everyone, welcome back to TechRill. In today's video, we are going to explore a powerful new capability added to AI agents, especially Copilot coding agent workflow, the ability to add images directly to an agent session. Instead of starting development from scratch, we will begin with something many developers already have, a screenshot of a UI design. We will be going in a step-by-step manner. We will use simple prompts and our Copilot coding agent to transform that design into a working application. This will be a do with me session, so I encourage you to follow along using the same prompts. I have added all the prompts used in this video in the description below, so you can replicate the entire process. By the end of this session, we will have built an end-to-end application starting from an image, and I will also share additional prompts you can try as an exercise to extend the application with new features. I will be using Angular for completing this application. You can use your own UI technology. It can be React, Vue, Java, Python, or the technology of your choice. So let us get started and see how our coding agents can turn a simple screenshot into a working application. We'll start with this empty repository energy management system, which contain only a README file for time being, and this beautiful design from community. It's a Figma design from the community. Let us take a screenshot of this design. We have covered the Figma integration earlier in a video where the Figma UI is fed through MCP servers. This case, we taken the screenshot and passed to the agent session. You can start the coding agent from anywhere and pass the image as a input along with the prompt. In this case, design an Angular 21 application based on the attached design and create a PR. That is a simple prompt we used for development. I have already completed another session with the agent for designing the same application. As you can observe, the prompt is same. Design an Angular 21 application, and it took around 17 minutes to complete this agent session. And the steps are captured as part of the agent session details. What was implemented, and we have the PR down. If you look at the PR, around 51 files are changed, and taking this PR branch to VS Code and start the application to test it out. Once you start the application, you will be able to observe that it's opened the application in port 4200 as it's an Angular application, and it's resemble or exactly meet our screenshot. The same design, color combination, everything is meeting with a static chart. But we need an interactive chart. That's the next requirement from our end. We are going to revise or enhance this initial UI, which is generated out of screenshot, with an enhancement. This time the enhancement is nothing but by selecting any bar in the first chart, that is an energy usage chart, should reflect the selection in the other two charts, daily energy cost and carbon footprint. Let the selection be based on the month and indicate the selected month clearly. The local agent start working on the enhancement. Local agent took some time to complete the implementation and the testing. An integrated browser is used by the agent for testing the functionality. The browser is open in VS Code for test purpose. Let us run the application again and verify the enhancement from our end. Kept all the modifications or accepted all the modifications. npm start to start the application. This time you can observe the chart is responsive or interactive based on the selection of the energy usage. Other charts are reflected the data. But the sidebar, the other icons like analytics doesn't have any functionality right now. Let us ask the local agent again to add another enhancement to the analytics icon. So we are asking agent to add an event handler for the analytics icon. When you click on this icon, it should open a sample analytics page matching our current theme. The current theme is the green-orange combination. Exactly the same theme should be used for our sample page. We haven't provided any screenshot or any details about the analytics page. It needs to resemble to the existing page. That's the only requirement. Agent completed the implementation of the new page and it's testing using the integrated browser experience in VS Code. This browser experience is helping us to debug and everything. We'll discuss in detail this integrated browser in a different video. Agent used this integrated browser for test purpose. Let us navigate to the analytics view and observe the newly created page. A beautiful analytics page is generated by Copilot. So that is how we can start application development from a simple design screenshot by adding images to an agent session. In this video, we saw how the agent can understand the UI from the image, generate the initial application, then enhance it step by step using simple prompts. If you followed along, you should now have a working application built directly from an image. As mentioned earlier, I have also added additional prompts in the description that you can use as exercises to extend the application with more features. Try them out and experiment with your own designs or prompts as well. Keep this application ready. In part 2 of this Do With Me series, we will refactor this application into a multi-layer application. This approach really shows how AI agents can accelerate development workflows and make it much easier to move from design to implementation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechRill for more videos on GitHub and GitHub Copilot. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.